Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. Today we are in Lil Sis room and we are talking about these tiny bumps that you can see on our hair. Keep still, baby. So I'll focus on it right there on our forehead, not on our hair. So on our forehead you can see these bumps that appear on it, and if you've seen any of our other videos lately, you might have noticed those bumps. For example, our video on the hair porosity. So I've been doing a lot of research, and she has had this bump. How long have you had these bumps on your hair?
Since summer, I think.
So since summer, and that has been like for 6 months, and it goes and it comes back all the time. What I've been doing is I've been cleaning our scalp really well, and also at night I've been using the witch hazel, and she has the witch hazel right there. Can you show them the witch hazel? We've been using witch hazel to wipe our forehead.
It's cucumber.
Yeah, and then I would apply the tea tree oil, and this is just ordinary tea tree oil, and that seems to work for a while. But now I think we need something else, and after doing my research, I found out that it could be like a yeast, overproduction of yeast and other things of that sort, and there was a name for it, and I'll put it down below so that you guys can see it. And when I was searching, I couldn't also find information for kids, but I said let me put a video out there to show our experience. So today is day number one, and we're going to head off to Target to find this product, and I think you can also find it in other areas, but we're going to go to Target and see if we can find this product. Okay, are you ready to go? So we're at Target now, and this is the product that we were told to use, and this is what it looks like. Is Nizorel, and this is the 1%, which I think it's appropriate. It's an anti-dandruff shampoo. But I'm gonna get that.
So at Target, we bought this medicine for my head, but before that, I bought this Lego motorcycle Captain America. We're going to be using a thin layer of this on my bumps, and we're gonna leave it here for 15 minutes, and then we're going to rinse it off. For 10 whole days. Time to wash. Because this dries your skin a lot, so you're gonna need some lotion, and this is the lotion that I'm using. This smells good. I put this on twice a day, in the morning and at night. Well, today's the second day, and I actually think that my bumps are getting a lot better. Today is day 4.
Yay, day 4. So let's see if we have some improvement. Do you think there's improvement?
If I look in the mirror, I can barely see any bumps. Because the mirror is right here.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's do a close up. So today is day number 7. As you can see, the spots are going gradually. You can see she only has them like right over here. And what we did was that we actually started putting the tea tree oil on her head with the lotion, and that did help much more. So, but it's going gradually. I also thought it would be instant when the bumps would go away, but for now you can see that it has actually gone away somewhat. So it's finally day number 10, and you can see, let's get close up. It has nearly disappeared. You can see that it's not as bad. We do have a few right here, but overall there's a lot of improvement. What we did was that we used this, as you see, for 10 days, and she was supposed to use it in the morning and at night, but sometimes what happened, you missed
in the morning.
Yeah, she missed in the morning, so we still made sure we used it at least once a day. And we did see improvement after we started using this, and we also used the tea tree oil as a moisturizer on her forehead. And I didn't dilute it, I just used it straight, like 2 dots. I just put it right there. And then I also used moisturizer, and the moisturizer we used is the Belle Novo Cocoa Butter Lotion. This is the best treatment that we've seen, and we do hope you guys check it out.
Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe and share. Bye.